As I say, yes, a cut. You see it? Because one time, man, you can stay say, you know, and see. You see it? Yeah, man, you can stay so and see the bottom. And see the bottom goal post, you know. It's a goal post I want near to the basketball court. The bottom goal post, the weird on yonder down there, so. You can't hardly see it. But when you think you can stay and see it, you can stay and see it, you know, brother. Yeah, man, you can stay so in a seat and see it. Yes. In a seat. As I say, yes, a cut and so forth. In a seat. And by school playground. Can't cut. The playground for the kids them can't cut. Yeah, man. I'm not going down on the beach to make a speech, you know. Cause pass me a pass and see the man a cut the something there, you know. Pass me a pass and see the man a cut the thing there, you know. I cut the whole police station, you know. In a seat, and that now use. It's a parish council. Parish council I work for. In a seat, and parish council, yeah, man. Choose to cut the whole police station and in part a cut, and Falmouth all school playground can't cut. In a seat. And them people talk about them love picnic. In a seat. Because my brother in Iyah, you know, he was send me one thing there, you know. He was send me one little video, you know, of Finland, you know, one playground of Finland, you know, little kids them play upon, you know. One playground of Finland, he was send me. So as I say, I park my bicycle out there, so I mean I take no, in a seat. I mean I take no chance. So I walk go back down there now. Because I don't go take up my bicycle. I pass, and I see the man. I pass and I see the man a cut. And I see the man a cut the whole police station. In a seat. The whole police station. Anytime I have video, you know, I don't turn my camera, I don't turn my phone from police station, you know. Because I want to come out and take out the phone and all them sitting there and say me a video police station figure because I know the country stay already. In a seat. But as I say, in a seat, at 25 million, you know, it can't win a by-election, you know. And so me, you know, 25 million. Because that me want to talk about on the beaches, man, you know. 25 million it take. So they might take 25 million to win by-election. When I change nothing, they make 25 million going to sort out the playgrounds them. And actually by-election the man saying go call to, you know. And go call the one up a Southern Chilani and then go call the one in a Nigel area. Because to Nigel I left all them waste of money there. In 25 million. What the 40,000 people to vote? What the 40,000 people to vote? Out of 6,000 people vote yesterday. A by-election. Yeah. So I tell you. So I tell you all of them building now. A government building. Government own them. And they do what they want to do. Yeah, man. So the man I cut the whole police station. Look on Walker, man. You know see? I'm out of Walker, man, there from out. So I know one can't get the money work for cut bag school. Eh? The one can't cut bag school. One can't go to work for cut bag school playground. Eh? Sit there. Eh? Eh? If you don't want to think of me, one can't cut bag school playground. Eh? One can't cut from a school playground. On a cut us. Eh? And when I cut us, look, yes or not, yes or, yeah, man. Mr. One can't cut by school playground, general. From a school playground, if you cut, brother. Them a cut it for a reason. I know use. Me not beat up nobody, my general. Me not beat you up, my general. What? You understand me? Alright, me I see a gate and video. Why them can't cut Falmouth all school playground? I just a cut. I just now utilize. Eh? Now come out here, but that me I talk about. But you can't cut by school playground. Why you can't cut? And the coach, the virgin coach by school. You want him if the coach put them. And by school playground can't cut. And you say they cut for a reason. Yes, so now when we're not using is cutting. And you can't cut by school playground. Parish council cut us and you can't cut by school playground. And that's what I talk about the Falmouth, you know. Well, you can't cut by school playground, Iyah. Eh? Eh? Why gauge why that matter? We never have a problem with the cutting, you know. We never have a problem with the cutting, you know. But why gauge can't cut by school playground? That me want to know, brother. And that I want to know. Why can't cut? I know work come on there, you know. But you get to work, we respect what you're doing, because you're working, you know. But if we cut by school playground to man, you pick them when you go and playground to play upon. Then we cut it too. Gauge if we cut by school playground. Because this will go viral, you know. This will go viral, you know, too, you know. This will go viral. When I cut all police station, when nothing on, watch out. Nothing on take place down here. More than some marching band people pack up this inside the so. And when I cut all police station for what? Eh? What plans you know for yourself? Eh? When I called by-election yesterday. When I called by-election in the country, and look at the place them stay. Look at the Jamaica stay. Eh? When I called by-election yesterday. When I spent 25 million on by-election. And look on the, in a seat. And by school playground can't cut. From the school, the most historical ground in a Chilani, the most historical playground. Where sporting activity started in a Chilani. Bar school playground. Yeah man. The Iyah Park. The Iyah Park playground can't cut. Only a cut us so. For what I don't know. For what I don't know when I cut it off. For what I don't know. Yeah man. Falmouth all school playground we cut too. Bar school playground we cut. So the kids them can play them sports. So the man can get the kids them teach them football and track and field. A joke thing not going on with you, brother. Joke thing not going on Falmouth, you know.
Hey, tell us where's security then?
You understand me? Yes. So, as I say, in a seat.
Show him to me there. Ah, they have patients over here, you know. Beg your arm, call the security to me.
You understand me? I cut her now. Me say enough. Yeah man, guys, I go viral. Yeah. I mean don't talk. Me don't talk. Yeah.